There we go.
Here is a winter storm watch for the following counties in Ohio. Dark, Logan, and Shelby. Winter storm watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Friday morning. Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 11 inches and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch possible. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Wind chills will likely fall below 0 degrees Friday and Friday night. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation.
Oh my god!
Here is a winter storm watch
That
for
was
the
a
following
double
counties
header.
in Ohio. Dark, Logan, and Shelby. Winter storm watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Friday morning. Heavy mixed
Oh my god,
precipitation
imagine if it was
possible.
a triple header.
Total snow accumulations of 6 to 11 inches and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch possible. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening
That
commute.
little high-pitched voice for
Wind chills will likely fall below
They're
0
about to
degrees
do
Friday
that
and Friday
twice,
night.
so they probably
Monitor the
might be
latest
like
forecast
triple
for updates on this situation.
Who knows? It's a triple header! Oh my god!
Here is a winter storm
I
watch
did it
for the following
again!
counties in Indiana. Fayette, Union, and Wayne, and the following counties in Ohio. Champaign.
Partly cloudy in the evening, then cloudy with rain likely after midnight.
From Wednesday afternoon through Friday morning.
Okay, that's a
Heavy
lot
mixed
better.
precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6
Oh my
inches and
god, I
ice
can't believe
accumulations
they
of 2
failed
tenths
that
to 4
3
tenths of an inch
times.
possible. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Wind chills will likely fall to near or below 0 degrees Friday night. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region.